Hi everyone, welcome back to CantoHousewife. Today we're making authentic bánh bò or honeycomb cake with my mother-in-law. Bánh bò is a Vietnamese dessert that is soft, slightly chewy, and have that beautiful honeycomb texture inside. Let's get started. Here is the ingredient list. It will make 3 bread loaf pan. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and add the clean dry pan. We measure out all the dry ingredients except the baking powder and put them in a mixing bowl.
480個 gram 嘅白砂糖。好，呢度係480個 gram 嘅零粉。
1 teaspoon salt, baking soda.
啲米粉落多啲就硬啲咯。
好準。
Mix together 咯。糖都有，粉都有。
嗱加大蛋就12隻，普通蛋就14隻。哦。啲蛋要室溫啊。
OK，淨係用一把刀剪個蛋爛出嚟。因為我哋唔想打肉，嗰啲一打就變成蛋糕啦。You don't want to become the cake. You want the
最精髓就係唔好打蛋，就係要夠啲隔散去。
OK，就係咁就得啦。
Gently mix the egg together with the dry ingredient. You do not want to mix well because it will turn into pandan cake instead of honeycomb cake.
OK，係咁就得啦，唔需要搞到好。OK，就呢個把隻係就搞佢個糖出水佢就濕咗啦。係咁嘅，一落俾我。
This is how it looked like from a different angle. Putting the batter through the colander help add air in there and it will create the honeycomb texture at the end. Now separate the coconut into 2 parts. Mix 300 ml with the pandan leaf extract and then pour it into the batter, but do not mix it yet. Add 5 tablespoons of baking powder into the coconut milk and mix very well.
呢度亂攪勻啦，嗰啲一定得唔好，佢喺一個位置啱俾你食到好苦啊！If the baking powder in one spray later will be really beaten. 喺呢度。
When you are done mixing, add the mixture into the batter and gently fold it until it's fairly mixed.
呢個咧就頭先嗰個熱咗喺嗰個焗爐嗰度一陣㗎啦。
OK。
咁咧就搽油嚇。
就而家一路倒過嚟呢兩邊咯。
Again, pour the batter into the pans through the colander. We'll add air into the batter. This will help create the honeycomb look in the cooking process. Clean the edges with a wet towel and then put it in the oven. Bake it for 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Whatever you do, do not open the oven door because reducing the heat might affect how the honeycomb cake will rise. If you use a smaller oven or it started to burn on the top, you can reduce the heat to 350 Fahrenheit, but again, do not open the door. When the cakes are done baking, go ahead and flip it over and put it on the cooling station. We just use 2 saran wrap boxes to be the cooling station, but you can use cup or other trays, whichever works for you. Flipping it over will prevent it from shrinking and give you that honeycomb look. Let it cool down for 45 minutes before cutting them into slices. Bánh bò is golden brown on the outside while moist and chewy on the inside. It's perfect for pairing with tea or coffee. Alright, that's it for today's video. Make sure you check out all my easy recipe and I'll see you in the next video.